family. You ready up next round 22, Nico Sicuro, followed by Daniela Zauber and Giovanni Masi.
Marching through the panel with a being alone, I guess she needed more to hold just a telephone. Mama called Mama each and every night, just to ask her how she was and if the kids were alright. Mom was waiting for the call to come in, when Daddy sang, don't Mama was a looker, Lord, how she shines. Papa was a good but the jealous kind. Papa loved Mama, Mama loved me. Your Papa's in the bed. Billy was found half on the night of dead. Papa came home, just a skin. He had a dozen roses and a bottle of wine. To surprise her, she was doing fine. I heard her cry for Mama up and down the hall. Then I heard a bottle break against the bedroom wall. That old diesel engine made an eerie sound when Papa fired it up and hit it in the ground. The picture in the paper showed the scenery. He was buried in the local hotel. The desk clerk said he saw it all real clear. He never had brakes when he was shoot up in gear. Mama was a looker, Lord, how she shined. Papa was a good but the jealous kind. Mama loved Mama, Mama loved me. Mama just a graveyard mama.
Yeah! Yeah!
Ringraziamo Luigi Family.